Deciding on a new gaming rig for 2026? Today we're pitting the sleek Lenovo Legion 5A Gen 11 against the powerhouse Dell G16 7630. One's a portable OLED beauty, the other is a performance beast. Watch till the end before you buy to see which laptop wins. Check the description for the latest deals, and hit that like button, it really helps me out. When you put these two machines side by side, it's clear they have totally different vibes. The Lenovo Legion 5A Gen 11 feels like a professional's tool that just happens to crush games after work. It sports a sleek, minimalist design that's impressively thin at 18.95mm and tips the scales at a manageable 4.1 pounds. The build is rock solid with almost zero flex around the keyboard or lid, and the hinge feels smooth yet durable. On the flip side, the Dell G16 7630 is an absolute unit. It's a classic desktop replacement that weighs in at a hefty 6.6 pounds. While its nightshade black finish is subtle enough for a classroom, there's no hiding its bulk. Dell uses an aluminum lid to add some premium flair, but you'll definitely notice a bit more plastic flex in the chassis compared to the more tightly constructed Lenovo. Regarding connectivity, both laptops are generous, but favor different standards. The Legion is future-proofed with two USB 4 ports and a smart rear-mounted layout that keeps your desk from looking like a spiderweb. It even includes a physical e-shutter switch for the webcam on the side. The Dell G16 counters with a Thunderbolt 4 port, which is a major win for those using high-speed external drives, along with 3 USB-A ports for legacy peripherals. Both brands wisely tucked the power input and Ethernet jacks onto the back to stay out of the way. However, the Dell's massive 330-watt power brick is another reminder that it's meant to stay parked on a desk, whereas the Legion's support for 100-watt USB-C charging makes it much easier to toss in a backpack for a trip to a coffee shop. When you stack the displays against each other, you're looking at a classic trade-off between pure visual pop and raw speed. The Lenovo Legion 5A Gen 11 sports a 15.3-inch OLED panel that's basically eye candy, delivering those deep, infinite blacks and punchy colors that make HDR content look incredible. It hits a solid 165 Hz, which is plenty fast for most gamers. On the other side, the Dell G16 7630 sticks with an IPS LCD, but it cranks the refresh rate up to a blazing 240 Hz. While it lacks the wow factor of the Lenovo's OLED contrast, that extra smoothness is a real win for competitive shooters where every millisecond counts. Both laptops use a taller 16:10 aspect ratio, which is a lifesaver for scrolling through long documents or editing video, but the Lenovo takes a massive lead when it's time to hop on a video call. It packs a 5-megapixel webcam that makes the Dell's grainy 720p sensor look like a total relic. Plus, the Lenovo includes a physical privacy shutter and facial recognition, which are nice quality-of-life touches that Dell just skipped over. The typing experience also feels pretty distinct between these two machines. Lenovo has a long-standing reputation for great keyboards, and the Legion 5A doesn't disappoint with its tactile 1.6mm travel and satisfying click. It feels snappy whether you're gaming or banging out a long report. The Dell G16 offers a spacious layout with visually highlighted WASD keys, but the actual switches feel a bit mushy and lack that crisp feedback you'd expect from a high-performance machine. When it comes to the trackpads, both are reliable enough for casual use, though Lenovo's is slightly off-center and Dell's feels a bit cramped given how huge the overall chassis is. For audio, both laptops actually punch above their weight class. The Lenovo's Harman-tuned speakers deliver a clear, full sound with a bit of actual thump in the low end. Dell's setup uses Dolby Atmos to create a surprisingly wide soundstage, which helps with immersion, though the chassis can vibrate a bit when you really crank the volume. Battery life is usually the Achilles heel for any gaming rig, but there's a clear divide in how these two handle being away from a wall outlet. The Lenovo Legion 5A benefits from the efficiency of its newer AMD architecture and AI tuning, making it much more viable for someone who needs to get through a few hours of work at a coffee shop. It even supports 100-watt USB-C charging, so you don't always have to lug around the heavy main power brick. The Dell G16 is much more of a desktop replacement that prefers to stay plugged in. While its 84 watt-hour battery isn't small, that power-hungry Intel HX processor drains it pretty fast, even during light tasks. Plus, the Dell's 330-watt charger is an absolute brick, making the whole kit a lot less tempting to pack in a backpack compared to the more portable Lenovo setup. Both machines handle their power differently, but it really comes down to whether you prioritize the vividness of an OLED and portability or the high refresh rate smoothness of a larger stationary powerhouse. The Lenovo Legion 5A Gen 11 runs on AMD Ryzen AI 400 series processors, focusing on efficiency and AI-driven background optimizations. This makes it snappy for daily tasks and responsive under moderate loads. The Dell G16 7630 takes a different path, packing a massive Intel Core i9-13900HX with 24 cores. It's built for raw muscle and sustained high-performance throughput, effectively serving as a desktop replacement. In editing and content creation, the Lenovo uses its AI chips to accelerate timeline playback and specific creative tools, which look sharp on its color-accurate OLED. However, the Dell's high core count gives it a clear edge in heavy CPU tasks like 4K video exporting and 3D rendering. Because of its larger chassis, the Dell can maintain these heavy workloads longer without the thermal throttling that can hit thinner machines like the Legion. Gaming shows a split between efficiency and brute force. The Lenovo's RTX 5060 provides a balanced experience, easily handling modern titles on its 165Hz screen. The Dell utilizes an RTX 4070 paired with the i9 to push much higher frame rates, taking full advantage of its 240Hz display. While the Lenovo is easier to carry, the Dell's cooling system allows the GPU to run at higher wattages for longer sessions, prioritizing absolute power over the Lenovo's portability-first approach. At the end of the day, the Dell is a powerhouse, but the Lenovo Legion 5A Gen 11 is the clear winner for 2026. Its stunning OLED display, better portability, and superior webcam make it the better all-around package. If you want a machine that does it all without breaking your back, the Legion is the way to go.